Oh, clip in.
Welcome to Wildside Bike Park. This was my first trip there, and thankfully I had a really good guide and my friend Dave showing us around. But I thought I would list out my top 5 favorite trails here, and maybe that'll help you get going for your first time there. Number 5 is going to be this one right here, Whippoorwill, and I'm going to count it and the trail it runs into, Rattler Ridge, as one trail, because you have to take these to get to one of 2 main trail hubs where most of the other trails start. This one does have a flat pedal.
My bottom bracket's creaking.
But it's very short, and then it's on to more fun stuff.
It's always something. Right. I'm slow getting my head turned today.
At this first trail hub, this is where the trail changes from Whippoorwill to Rattler Ridge. And here's the second trail hub. Most of the fun trails will start at one of these 2 hubs, so you have to ride Whippoorwill to Rattler Ridge to get to all the fun stuff anyway, so I put it in at my number 5.
Party on, come on.
Here's my number 4, the top half of Smooth Operator, a blue flow trail with quite a bit of side hill compared to what I'm used to. We're only just going to ride the top half. We'll get to the bottom section of it on a later run.
Oh yeah, there's a place to stop. Oh yeah, there is a stop place. Okay. It's awkward, then the trail turns and goes this way.
And on to my number 3, a very solid trail. I really enjoyed this trail, Flovana. It does have kind of a flatter section in the middle that makes you really work on pumping your bike to keep your speed up as you go through. But I could be happy riding this trail the majority of the day. It is such a good time. do have to be careful with the merge coming in right here. This one ends right here at the shuttle pickup, so it's perfect for hot laps up and down the hill. Okay, I'm going to do this one backwards because that's how it lays out. This is my number one, dark side. Here I'm following my buddy Dave, who's a local, and he is killing me off these wooden drop.
Oh, God. Woo!
As usual, they are way bigger and steeper than they look on GoPro. And then we'll get on to the number 4, the bottom half of Smooth Operator, and then it ties into my number 2, Thunderhead. But man, I wish I had started riding this trail earlier in my trip, because it is my favorite for sure. Right here is where it merges back into Smooth Operator. And then a perfect place to catch your breath. We're now at Thunderhead.
Oh, that was good.
A short trail that ties into the very end of Flovana. I wasn't really feeling this wood bridge jump right here. It is way steeper than it looks, but it's on my list for next trip, and I like having those. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you on your trip there. I'll be going back real soon, and maybe I'll see you there.
Did you do it? I think it's easier to judge speed that way. Well, there's 2 little bitty jumps here.
Oh, that was good.
So I cannot keep up with you on the dark side. All right, y'all good?
Yep.
Hey, Anna, clip in. How was that, little buddy?
It was better than the first one.
I shorted the first one.
Yeah, you can do that and still lift.
Is this too fast? Is this too slow? I've already overjumped it once, you know. So.
Yeah.
No, it's good. It's a lot of pedaling at a downhill park. Yeah! You did it with your helmet unbuckled.
Oh. I didn't even think that.
Yeah, she did.